Okay, so I've got a giant grocery haul to share with you guys. I needed to stock up, and I have been loving my Walmart Plus membership, which I'll link down below. Not sponsored, I just love it. I cannot believe that I can get all of this stuff delivered for free. It is like the most convenient thing I have ever experienced in my life. I just keep thinking about like how if this would have been available when I had like little kids and babies, how much time it would have saved me. But I have a 20%, or I'm sorry, a $20 coupon. If you guys want to try it out, I'll link it in the description box below. Okay, I grabbed one of these teriyaki veggie and noodle kits. I'm gonna meal prep this for this week. I can't recall whether I've had this before, but they do have these in the prepared salad section of the grocery store. So definitely check those out. This is a teriyaki one. I got some cilantro. I always like to have that on hand. And then I got a bunch of fruit for the kids and whoever to have this week. I've been liking to have it in my yogurt too. So I got some blackberries, 2 containers of blueberries, 2 containers of strawberries, which are not looking too hot, but it's the dead of winter around here. And then I also got some shredded iceberg lettuce. I like to use this in wraps. And then Kira wanted some halo oranges or cuties, whatever, so I got some of those for her. Some romaine salad mix for myself, and then some baby cucumbers. I ordered the already cut cauliflower, but they didn't have it in stock, so I'll have to cut it myself, which is fine. That was a substitution. And then I got some broccoli florets. I'll probably cook some of these up for meal prep and then also have some of them just raw with hummus or ranch. Kira wanted me to get some spinach, so I got some of that for her. And then I am going to be gone part of the week for work, so I just decided to get some easier things like cut apple slices, cut mango, sugar snap peas. I don't have to do anything with those. I will have to wash the grapes. Got some bananas, and then Connor really likes these snap pickles. They're also super easy for him to put in his lunchbox for school. I got some peppers, so I think I'm gonna cut those up for snacking. 2 dozen eggs because we were running very low. And then I got a couple of different lunch meats. Hi, I don't have anything for you. I'm sorry. Sorry. Anyway, I was watching Instagram Reels last night, and this person that I follow did like this Italian style wrap. So she took a low carb wrap. I got some lavash bread, same thing, whatever. She spread this garden vegetable cream cheese on it, and then I think she put ham. I don't know if she put ham, pepperoni, and salami, but I know for sure she put ham and salami. Cheese, and then she put like shredded lettuce and pepperoncini in there, so I thought I would try that. Anyway, it just looks super good when she made it like in these little pinwheels, and I was like, oh, I gotta try that. So I made sure to get the ingredients. Okay, I got some sharp cheddar cheese for sandwiches, some of the turkey sausage snack sticks. I actually really like to have these on hand. I've been really tracking my calories and macros, and these only have 80 calories per 2 sticks. And they have 7 grams of protein, so they're a great snack along with a cheese stick if you're like a little bit peckish. I got some Fairlife chocolate milk. Connor specifically asked for that. I like getting this anyway if I am gonna buy chocolate milk because it's higher protein and lower sugar. And then I tried to get the Fairlife whole milk, which is what I've been liking to have in my coffee. It steams up really well in the frother, or froths up really well, and it has extra protein in it, but they didn't have that in stock, so this was a substitution. And then I got some pizza Lunchables for Connor to pack in his lunch, some sugar-free Jell-O. I got a couple of these pepperoni paninos for the children, or whoever wants them, I guess. And then I also got some French onion dip along with some chips. I got a couple of tubs of cream cheese. Kira specifically wanted strawberry cream cheese with bagels, so I got that. And then I told you guys I got this kind for those wraps, but they can also go with the bagels as well. Milo is like very needy right now. I got some Sara Lee Artisano bread. This is what the kids like to use for sandwiches, and peanut butter and jelly. Kira wanted peaches, but they're out of season right now, so instead I got her these diced peaches, no sugar added. And then she also wanted some pot stickers and egg rolls, so I got 3 packages of these vegetable pot stickers, or the Feel Good Foods brand. So I got 3 of those, and then 1 package of vegetable egg rolls. She was actually kind of like helping me pick stuff out, and she was sitting there clicking, adding everything to the everything to the cart. So I also got some more of these Power Crunch Kids. These are high protein snack bars. I should actually try these myself. They've got 10 grams of protein in them. So if you never tried this brand before, they're actually really good. They have not just kids stuff, they have adult, I guess, flavors too. But if you never tried them, they're good. Kira also wanted some cheese ravioli. She said she would heat this up and put it in a thermos and take it in her lunch along with this vegetable fried rice. So we stocked up on both of those. And then I also got some more of these cheese crackers, these Ritz ones. The kids always throw those in their bag for a snack at school. I got some caramel rice cakes. So I've been liking to have these with nut butter as like an afternoon snack if I want something sweet. By the way, I've been posting daily what I eat in a day is on Instagram. So if you're not following me over there, I'll link my Instagram handle down below. And I did miss a day, but I am planning on doing daily uploads as far as my as far as my schedule allows. I may miss a day here and there, but just know that I'm in it for the long haul with this weight loss journey. Okay, and then Kira specifically wanted some strawberry yogurt, so she picked out these Noosa ones, and then I will eat these too, but she said she would like the blueberry ones. These Dan and Light and Fit Greek yogurt. I like to make like a yogurt bowl with these and some fruit and some Special K granola. It like comes out to like less than 200 calories, and it's pretty filling, and it hits like the little sweet spot if you are craving something sweet. Did I say bagels? I got bagels. I got some fries just to have in the freezer as a side if Adam wants to make those while I am gone this week. I got some more napkins. They sent me like a huge container of these. I think that was a substitution because I did not order that large of a package. And then Kira also wanted some fettuccine alfredo, so she got a couple of those. Some of this Boom Boom shrimp. If you've never tried this before, it's pretty good. It's good in the air fryer, and it comes like with a little sauce packet to glaze the shrimp with. We got some fish fillets, the Van de Kamp's brand. I got some of these rawhide treats for the dogs. This is the lavash wrap that I got for those Italian wraps, or I guess whatever I want to make with them. Kira wanted to try these Morningstar Farms chicken nuggets. Let me know if these are good or not. I don't think I've ever tried them before, so we'll see how those are. We got some Capri Sun, 2 boxes of that, the Roaring Water kind, some Diet Mountain Dew. Kira wanted this mandarin orange water, and then we also got some Gatorade Zero. We got some Kraft mac and cheese cups. These are super easy for the kids to make themselves. Some Lay's to go with the French onion dip. And then Kira got some of the shampoo that she normally uses, the Tea Tree Mint shampoo. Oh, whoops. We got 2 shampoos. Uh-oh. I guess we probably should have gotten a shampoo and conditioner, but whatever. I needed more batteries because we were running low on a bunch of those. So I got a bunch of AA's, some C and some D batteries. I got a can of soup. I actually meant to add more to my cart because then Adam could take them to work multiple days, but I totally spaced it out. This is the Jazzy Jambalaya. Kira got some gum. This is the sugar-free Orbit mint gum, and then a bag of frozen peas and carrots. I totally forgot this. It was in the fridge. I got some salmon as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you back tomorrow with another day of Vlogmas. Bye. Bye.